Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to see the liked on Facebook. We start by opening Facebook and entering our profile. After that, we click on the videos or reels category depending on the version. Finally, we can click on the liked filter and thus be able to see all the reels that you have liked. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.